Hey Slopers, it's Brian Johnson with thestockminute.com, back with another little daily video for you, giving you a recap of the day's action. Not much to talk about today, so it'll be short and sweet. Won't take up a lot of your time. But let's talk about this. Dow moves up. I said yesterday it was in a high base formation, which means I have to remain, according to the charts, neutral to bullish. We do break the 200 period moving average, move sideways. Once again, little high base formation and a push up. But I'm telling you, I have not been looking to go long this market for a few days now at all. I'm not interested in going long. Matter of fact, I've been looking to go short and have been entering short positions on the way up, with my latest one, my most recent one, coming today around the 1105 mark on the S&P 500, which was kind of my no-fly zone, especially for going long. So anyway, I am not. The move's not there. The momentum's not there. I guess if you want to, I guess if you want me to really stick my neck out, I'll do it. I'm going to take one for the team. This one's for you, Tim. Tomorrow's the day. Tomorrow's the day the Bears take over. The Kodiak comes back on the last day of options expiration. We're gonna break it downwards here from a bear side. We're gonna give us either a potential chance to get back into the long side if you're bullish on this markets, or B, make some money on the bear side if that's what you've been doing the last few days. So if you've been waiting for it, I know a lot of you guys have been very patient and waiting for a breakdown. So I'll call tomorrow. And then if it doesn't break down, I'll just call it again tomorrow night too. And we'll just keep doing that until I finally get it right. But I'm going to say tomorrow. I think it's way overextended. Been watching momentum just absolutely fall out of the market the last couple days, and now it's consolidated enough to the point where I think it's time for it to fall. Let's look at it daily. Now, I said it's consolidation. Usually what I mean by consolidation is sideways movement. In this case, we're not. We've got these nice white candles moving to the upside. Here's the issue I have with it, and that is it's come mostly on gaps. We have these gaps up in the morning or whatever, and then it runs to wherever it's going to go for the day, and then kind of stops. It really doesn't go anywhere. Slowly works its way into a little bit more of a move towards the end of the day. If the Bears decide they don't want to take over that day, then the Bulls go, okay, whatever, I'll take over at the end of the day. Now, we are getting close as above the 50-day moving average, but that was not true on the SPX. So pushing forward, what I like to see is not only a close above the 50, but because this comes kind of towards the end of a candle, I like to see confirmation. I like to know that this move was for real, so I'll be watching tomorrow for a second close above the 50-day. Some people don't look for that confirmation, but I'm a little bit more conservative in my trading, so I do like to see that confirmation. The Nasdaq on a 60-minute moving up and over to the 200, breaking up over this 1820 area I talked about, which was the 50-day moving average on the daily. So it also had a close above here. Once again, I'm looking for, yes, confirmation. I'm looking to see if this thing can actually close twice above this 1820 mark. I just do not trust this bull move. Up is up, but I'm not trusting it. I've seen this time and time again. This is not a strong bull move, guys. SPX on the 60-minute, breaking up over the 200, up and over this 1103. 1103 to 1108 was the call I made yesterday and have been for quite a while. That's been my overhead resistance area for a long time. That's where we traded most of the day. I did take short position in here again, looking to play this down. If it breaks up, I'm still sticking with it, and we'll probably add at 1115. A break over 1115 could probably take us back to the 1130 area. If you're looking to go long the S&P, that's where I would suggest you do it. Wait until it breaks this 1115 area. 1108 to 1115 was about my upper range on this move. So we'll see if we get any movement tomorrow by the Bears. That would constitute some sort of a reversal, maybe even a pullback. The SPX on a daily, you can see it moving up and not closing above the 50-day moving average. So that would be some non-confirmation on the SPX. I don't always put a lot of weight on that. But I will be watching this closely tomorrow to see if we can push up and above 1108. But from my trading, I will not be looking to go long. My strategy here is to continue to add to my short position because we are so overextended. And I've really been watching this market closely. The momentum it's not there. This is not a strong bull run. So I think it's a fake. It's a fakey dakey. We'll see if it can manage to scare some more bears out. But I'm looking for a pullback. Now the pullback will be interesting. If we can't get back below about this 1085, 1080 area, Maybe it's going to be some more bullish action. So on the way back down. I'm really watching to see if we break this 1085 mark, 10 or 1080 mark. Love to get back below this 20-day moving average, wherever that might be, at the time it gets back down there. So be watching that level closely. For you more conservative traders, I would wait maybe for a break of that before you go short. Um, if you're not looking to get a little more aggressively short and up in this area. APEI hasn't broken that lower trend line. BTU did never reach the 47.50 to 48 level, so no no big grand shorting opportunities there yet. So you can continue to hold on to those, but lots of people are doing lots of picks, so I won't waste time on that. There's my market recap for the day. I'll be back with you again tomorrow night, do kind of a recap on the week, and see if there's anything or any change in the markets. Now, anything is possible. We could see a push up and a push back down, and maybe finish the day with a shooting star or a gravestone doji, something to that effect. Maybe we get a nice bearish engulfing or some sort of a reversal pattern in the morning. It's really it's just a total crapshoot at this point. And so once again, we're overextended. This market does not have that much further to go, in my opinion. So I'm waiting for that pullback. I did get short today, and we'll continue to add to that as we move upwards. And then we'll see what happens on the next pullback to the downside, and we'll see if this really is that wave 3 everybody's talking about. Ooh, we'll see if we actually get that motion. We'll know. Wave 3s are usually pretty strong and pretty fast in their movement. So it'll bleed the life out of the markets. If you start to see that, then you know that we're probably in the wave 3. Talk to you guys again tomorrow. Bye.